EDAP Classroom. Things to note in the email address. While adding students to your class, you need to be careful while adding Gmail addresses. If you didn't enter the email address properly, students cannot attend their classes. There are some common mistakes we can see while adding Gmail addresses. Let's see some of them now and how we can add email address properly. Here, you may have noticed some errors. We cannot type shahana824.com. There is no such email domain on Google. We clearly need email addresses which ends as gmail.com so that only students can authenticate on their phone. There are also some errors seen like at g.com and gmail@.com and so on. You need to check for spelling mistakes and other special characters before finalizing the window. Also, while typing email addresses, make sure you did not leave any space behind, because if you do, it won't work. Keep in mind, there will be no space in an email address. If teachers miss any of this, students couldn't access the class. So, while entering Gmail IDs, you need to be cautious.